In love ka ngayon?
In love? Yeah, but with life. I'm in love with
No,
life.
in love ka with another human being.
Nagbubunyi na naman ang mga Barda fans dahil sa naganap na confession sa isang interview ng pambansang ginoo na si David Licauco. Kabilang dito ay ang estado ngayon ng kanyang puso at ang honest feelings niya sa other half ng Barda na si Barbie Forteza. Panoorin ang nasabing video.
Kung bang nakikita namin ngayon sa social media, ano ba ito? Fan service pa ba to o may kasama ng feelings?
Which one?
Yung closeness ninyo ni Barbie.
Well, yung closest namin, close naman talaga kami. Diba? But then, we have to...
Ikaw yung tinatanong ko,
I mean, you have to think na, of course, like, Barbie just got off from a relationship and we should respect that, diba? Na parang, kailangan niyang mag-heal, kailangan niyang, ngayon, diba?
Hindi, it doesn't have anything to do with healing. Ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, may feelings ba na involved?
I care for her a lot. Care for her a lot.
Can we qualify that?
I just really care about her a lot.
Sobrang komportable nyo na sa isa't isa. Like, you protect her and sometimes she protects you.
Yeah.
So, ibang dynamics na? I mean, nag-evolve na yung dynamics ninyo?
Sure, before, like, transparently, she was taken, diba? So,
So malaking factor yun.
hindi naman, I mean, Barbie has always been caring, but then, syempre, kapag,
Naiilang ka before.
oh, diba, ano, parang maging caring, kasi syempre, kapag may co-work ka, diba, like, kailangan naman talaga, especially sa love team context, diba? Like, you really have to be caring, and Barbie is someone I really care about, so.
So it's, would you say it's, kumbaga mas maluwag na ngayon yung pakikisama ninyo sa isa't isa now that, you know, single ka, single siya?
The question's right. Again, I mean, feeling ko kahit naman sino na nasa situation ko, kapag taken, hindi ka naman gagawa ng, ano man, like, medyo extra, di ba? Extra care, di ba? But now, obviously, like, when we're together, like, I care for her. And, ayun, syempre, mas maluwag nga, gaya na sinabi mo.
Nang tanungin ko ang estado ng puso ni David,
In love ka ngayon?
In love? Yeah, but with life. I'm in love with
No,
life.
in love ka with another human being.
Nako.
Well, tense ka eh.
I'm really happy.